Drakelow Tunnels for miles and miles. What's in there? You can't, there's a door.
Look at the particles in the air, bro.
Let's have a look. It's beds, it's where the workers used to sleep, man. Toilets still intact, apart from that one. Showers. If there are any spirits in this tunnel, can you make yourself known?
Caps on.
Maybe in London.
I think we should. Let's go into somewhere.
Where the
in tunnel 1.
Bro.
That pinches in there, man. Where's the geezer? Call through there. Oh, we've got to do it too.
Yo, that one.
This is the walk through my witnesses.
Guys,
Huh?
you're doing a reading board.
Oh well. Yo, should you have a walk down here?
You're right, Annabelle.
We're doing that then.
You want to go in here, lads? Do it in here.
Could do.
You want to do the Ouija board in here?
Annabelle?
Come on.
Annabelle, come on.
Yo, this is the place.
Yo, this is mad. Look at this. Oh shit, there's still toilet, man. Wonder if there's any good reach. Take a photo of me on the skitter as well, can you? What it was here? 1941.
I might actually have a piss.
You can't in there.
No.
But no. Take a photo of me on the skitter, please.
Any liquid in it?
No.
Oh. West Irish Football Club. Annabelle.
Just gonna catch up, man.
Yeah. Holy crazy, we're mucking.
Come on and back your boy.
No, someone's been on the road from the toilet, you cheeky bastards.
Yeah. Don't know where she's gone.
Annabelle! Where?
Yo.
Where? Where's the pyro thing?
Yeah, we need that pyro thing, man.
You gotta go down tunnel 1 and carry on down for a bit. We'll just say, I don't know where we are now.
Yeah, I think that was on the table.
This is the clerk's room. There's a can of Red Bull down there.
Yeah, look at this. Alien area. What? No fucking way.
What the fuck?
Must be a map that someone's made for themselves.
Imagine if someone lives down here.
That's mad.
Right, the old way, there's ladders back down on the other side. Engine room or something. See there.
Nothing down there, is there? Nothing down there, bro.
Probably just like for maintaining this pipe, isn't it? You can open some up there, look. I wonder what this would have been.
Big furnace or something. Someone could live down here though. Yeah, it's on the wondering, bro.
Someone's been having a few beers down here.
It's bare old, yeah.
Is there something in it?
in it? Oh, bro. I wonder what the fuck that is.
That was scary. What was it?
I'm gonna go and fucking. Yeah. Some clean ass showers in here, man.
Still watching the pipes now? Yeah, where the fuck was in there? Oh, fucking hell, I was gonna say. No, I'm joking. From all the soft man.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
And I was meant to be going back.
Bring your own chair. There's bloody guy over here. Fuck me.
Can you take a picture?
Is there a key for some... Should be good. Quick wager.
Yeah, man, let's go for it.
Quick wager, bud.
We'll have to put it on one chair.
I'm gonna film, man.
We're going to get back to
Yeah.
What time is it now?
10 to.
10 to.
Right, okay, I'll put your fingers on the ground.
Everyone.
Stick the GoPro on. For
I've
this.
got it on. I've had it on.
Zachariah?
We don't want
Are you being serious?
Don't know why, he's already done one.
Film it then, bro.
Come on, Zack, good lad.
That's
Yeah,
it.
but if it gets attached to me, it kills me.
It won't do that. Okay, so clockwise. Okay, ready? Okay, spirits. You know there's spirits here. If there's any spirits would like to communicate with you, you'll see we've got our fingers on a panchet, and you can use that to communicate with us. There's a yes and a no, and some letters. Okay, hold it there. If there's a spirit with us here now, can you please move the panchet to yes? Please. Is there a spirit here now? Maybe someone that used to work here. If there is, can you move the panchet to yes, please, which is over here? The sun. Is there a spirit with us here now? Come on, spirits, come forward, come and talk to us.
Any spirits with us here in this room, use our energy.
Come and use our energy.
Communicate with us.
Come and communicate with us, don't be
Push the
scared.
panchet on the board.
Show us.
Show us
Maybe
yourself.
throw a
Push
brick,
the
move
panchet.
something.
Make a sound.
Like that.
God, I thought that wasn't
Push,
on there.
push
jeez.
Matty in the back.
That'll do as well.
Come on, if there's a spirit with us now, just